Everyone has had high expectations of the recent leaps that Cardano was making, and it was interesting to see the ADA coin price rising and the gracing of headlines in crypto media. But right now, the egos of most Cardano investors just got deflated. ADA lost a whopping $1 billion in market cap. Yeah, you heard that right. As a cascade of long liquidations sent Bitcoin plummeting, Bitcoin, according to Crypto Kalo, was a beautiful retracement. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView followed Bitcoin as it made lows of $29,015 on Bitstamp. The sudden move followed by an equally strong rebound above $30,000 mark the previous day. The bulls ultimately were unable to preserve the higher levels. As volatility made a comeback, Bitcoin thus fell to its lowest since April 10th as the upside saw its latest challenge. Deep correction on the markets as Bitcoin can't hold 29,700, 29,800, and shoots downward through a cascade of liquidations. Michael van de Poppe, founder and CEO of trading firm 8, reacted. Hours before the decline, monitoring resource material indicators have flagged changing conditions on the Binance order book, arguing that the result could still swing both ways, with either the bulls or the bears profiting. It tweeted, "Long day, time to get some sleep and recharge for tomorrow. Going to leave you with one more #fire chart, which shows bids in the 28,000 and 29,000 range continuing to move up towards the active trading range, watching to see if the bid replenishes enough to take another shot at 31K or become." Among traders, some participants, such as bullish trader Crypto Kalo, remain optimistic. "Remember, dips are gifts," he told Twitter followers, calling the retracement beautiful for tagging the range lows. However, conditions were ugly for those long Bitcoin, with liquidation stacking up rapidly. The recent correction in the crypto market has had a significant impact on Cardano ADA, resulting in a loss of $1 billion in market capitalization. This occurred as ADA's price dropped by more than 9%, with the token's price letting go of all the gains of its recent days at its peak. According to CoinMarketCap, Cardano's market capitalization currently stands at $14.58 billion at the time of this video, making it the 7th largest cryptocurrency. But there might be a silver lining to this correction, as we can note the fact that the ADA price managed to find support near the 41 per token zone. This shows that big buyers are willing to take the risk and buy the token at these values with a prospective growth. So what's next for Cardano ADA? Since there is now an absence of its fundamental triggers, the price movement of Cardano token is hinged on the market trend. If the correction that happened was a kind of attempt to drop the most greedy investors as well as latecomers after the cleanup, the market will continue to grow, then ADA will be fine. At least those are our personal thoughts. It is important to note that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and corrections like this are not uncommon. Cardano investors are just quite shaken up this time, but this does not change the fact that the market is unpredictable. But if the cleanup leads to further growth, Cardano has the chance to bounce back stronger than ever. Yeah, you heard correctly, stronger than ever. Meanwhile, Cardano ADA has recently hit a major milestone within the ascending price channel, hitting a diamond support level that has been guiding the cryptocurrency's value upward for the past few months. It's all on the chart. This development could signal a potential 16% rally, which, if realized, would place ADA's price at the upper border of the same channel. The diamond support level was a very crucial point on the chart, suggesting strong buying interest from investors and traders, which could potentially move prices higher. As Cardano approaches this sensitive level, market participants might view it as an opportunity to enter long positions or add to their existing holdings in anticipation of further price appreciation. The ascending price channel, which ADA has been trading, has acted as a reliable guide for the cryptocurrency's bullish trajectory. Notably, the lower boundary of the channel has consistently provided support, while the upper boundary has acted as resistance. If the current trend progresses and the diamond support level holds, Cardano could experience another rally, pushing its price towards the upper border of the channel. A 16% rally from the current price is quite big, and it would represent a significant gain for Cardano and could garner even more attention from investors looking for promising opportunities in the cryptocurrency market. Even with renewed enthusiasm, it is essential to note that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, as we continue to say, and price predictions should always be taken with caution. Just as emphasized earlier, regardless of a sharp drop in the last few days, Cardano still trades 65% up on the year, with the world's 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization having thrived on a wave of positive momentum in the broader crypto market since the year started. Crypto has rallied this year in anticipation of the end to the Fed's tightening cycle and the possibility of a near-term cutting, driven by slowing US inflation and weakening economic momentum coupled with concerns about the stability of traditional financial system after last month's US bank crisis, after crypto had arguably become well oversold at the end of last year. According to a report released by crypto analytics firm Masari, The total value locked in the Cardano blockchain smart contract platform rose by 170% in Q1 of 2023 to nearly $140 million. Well, that was particularly down to asset price appreciation, but the TVL growth rate far outstripped ADA's 54% market cap gain for the quarter. A big catalyst for the increase was a 261% jump in the total value of stablecoins issued on the network. Vasari pointed to the growth of the supply of Indigo's IUSD and JED's stablecoin. Stablecoins, a cornerstone of DeFi according to crypto analytics platforms, were largely absent from the Cardano ecosystem before Q1 of 2023. Many expect new stablecoins, which offers new ways for investors to generate profits in crypto, but from a stable asset, will bring substantial new flows of capital into Cardano's DeFi ecosystem in the coming years. Moreover, with the broader cryptocurrency market, Cardano is maturing as an asset, which means it swings between bull market highs and lows and back again, and will become less extreme in a time. With these reports, can Cardano post 40x gains versus its 2022 lows to hit $10 per token in the upcoming bull market? Or is $10 kind of preposterous? If the likes of Bitcoin push into the hundreds of thousands of dollars per token and Ether pushes above $10,000 in the coming years, then there's no reason why Cardano can't post strong astronomical gains. Many bulls will be eyeing $10 as a long-term profit target. This optimistic perspective is quite admirable. Perhaps you're one of the ones that are being pessimistic. Most importantly, in a video update, Hoskinson told his 320,000 YouTube subscribers that nation-states will likely one day rely on Cardano's ecosystem for a variety of useful functions if anti-crypto forces do not get in the way.
So I can see a path within 5 to 10 years that you can run a nation-state on technology like Cardano. I can see that happening. I can see a path where Cardano could be used to run a national identity system with principles, or a payment system with principles, or a CBDC with principles that protects you. I can see that path.
Hoskinson added that if left undisturbed, there are enough resources alone in the Cardano ecosystem to facilitate such privilege, and it is equally inevitable.
We have the decentralized brain, we have the community, we're growing at a rapid rate. We'll wake up in 5 or 10 years and there'll be tens of millions of people. And those people will be engaged and enabled and have a treasury necessary to be able to carry that out and find those use cases and wire that in.
Plus, comparing it to Ethereum as the largest proof-of-stake blockchain by capitalization, Hoskinson noted a specialty of Cardano that is, in his view, lies in the number of unique addresses involved in the staking process. The chart provided by Hoskinson showed that the number of unique staking participant wallets on Cardano is more than 1.2 million. Meanwhile, Ethereum just has 88,400. And according to a blockchain developer, it is as if a lot of people decided to build an excellent staking protocol years ago and achieved it. Hoskinson figures were partially confirmed by a staking rewards portal, and according to the data, Cardano's staking ratio is 68.11%, while Ethereum is 15.6%. This implies that the number of outstanding ADA delegated to staking is almost 4.4 times higher than it is for Ethereum. The patient dog eats the fattest bone, and in the case of Cardano, it's up for some good moments. This is definitely not the end. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.